So, to my audience who are currently watching this video, I already made a grammar mistake. Please kill me. Anyways, to my audience who is watching this video and want to get advice from me, of course you do. Every single person who watches my videos is definitely single. Anyways, so you want to get a romantic partner. You want to get a girl, specifically a woman. So you want advice from me, a self-proclaimed gay guy. So today even though this video is not scripted, I'll be going through some things that'll make you get girls easier. So first of all, how do you approach a girl? So I have a rose here. Okay, so let's start with this hypothetical scenario. So let's pretend that I'm currently a woman, and there's also another me who's a man who's trying to, as the kids say it, raise her up. Okay, so first off, the girl is here, like walking like, okay, and then I'm over here like do 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 do, and then I see this girl, I'm like, oh well, she's so pretty now, and then I'm like, oh, I want to ask her out. Okay, now this is the first mistake you beginners always make. Okay, look, so before you want to ask this girl to approach her, okay, ask yourself the genuine question: do you want to be in a romantic relationship? Okay, I don't think most people, ask that before they fully commit into one, and they just end up very messy or end up having kids, which that also counts as being messy and other stuff. Okay, look, it's like in like high school and like in like schools where like they're like a school couple and they break up after like 3 milliseconds. Look, people I found out in my like very short years of living, they crave the feeling and the excitement of chasing a love. We watch so many romantic, like movies, books, comic books, whatever the heck, and then just like, damn, this might be my, Romeo and Juliet moment. But in reality, I just don't think, like kids at that age or like some certain people, even after adulthood, are able to, be are able to approach romantic relationships in a genuine and sincere way, or have the responsibility to handle it. You know, I think in order to approach a romantic relationship first, you have to first work through yourself and ask what you truly want. Because people's ideas of love and why they want them is all very different and can stem from, I don't know, sources of trauma, or just like maybe you don't actually need that love. Maybe you just need to love yourself. So before you want to ask, this girl out, you want to first make sure that you genuinely want to approach this relationship. Okay, let's start from it over again. Okay, so this girl's walking over, and then you're like, okay, well, I do actually want a romantic relationship. Okay, and then you go approach her, but wait, that's another mistake you beginners make. Okay, so look, after you ask yourself why you want to be in a romantic relationship, look, this entire scenario, why are you asking the girl out in the first place? Why? Is it the way you talk? Is it the way she talks? Is it the way she blinks? The way she walks? Or is it simply just because she's pretty? Are you mixing up your emotions with lust or actual romantic intentions? You never know. So you want to get that straight. And in a relationship, I think we could all agree that actual compatibility of hanging out with this person, not just on a lust perspective, will usually have longer lasting relationships. Because I'm pretty sure like those relationships are concentrated on lust, are called one night stands, as the kids say. So yeah. So after you ask yourself those two questions, you want to start to approach her, or maybe you completely change your mind. Okay. So now you approach as because you figured this out, right? So now you're gonna be approaching the girl. Okay. So she's gonna be like, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, and then you're gonna be like, here, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay. So now you want to, I guess you just stop her, and then she's like, you're just like, hello, miss, what's your name? And then she just goes, hello, stranger. My name is what's the girl name? What's the girl name? Max. Okay. Hi, my name is Max. Okay. Okay. So now you got the girl's name. So what does the manual say again? What the frick does the manual say? Um, okay. Crap. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So next up, you're supposed to. Freaking. You're supposed to ask her out for her number. Make physical contact. Now that's step 67. Okay. So next, you're going to invite her to a cafe or to an undisclosed place, like I don't know, like a dirty rundown basement where nobody can hear you guys. Okay, so you guys want to have a private chat. Okay, so you're gonna invite this girl to your place. Not your home. That's way too quick. We'll explain that in a later step. Okay, so you got this girl. You want to have a relationship with her, even though it's kind of weird that you two have never met before and you just saw her and you think she's really pretty and you just want to ask her out. But once again, everybody's definition of love is different, so I shouldn't judge because I am single. Yeah. Anyways, so you ask her out and you take her to, let's say, I don't know, Starbucks if you're rich enough. Anyway, so you take her out to Starbucks if she somehow agrees. I don't know, it's my audience. So you take her out to Starbucks and okay, look, listen here, okay? Everybody, here's how to. I think people are like scared to talk to women. I'm included. So here's how to actually talk to women from someone who's scared of women. Okay, damn, I'm kind of objectifying them with that. My apologies to any woman in my audience. I know it's like 0 or something. Anyways, so you want to listen to what they actually say. Okay, that goes from any single thing on the earth. Okay, any person, guys, like whatever gender, everybody wants someone to listen to what they want to say. Being a listener is such an underrated skill in this day and age, okay? Whatever she talks about, try to have interest in it. And if you don't, I don't know, friggin' pretend, dude. You're trying to get, the next level of your life. You're gonna have to do sacrifice. You want to do anything for that, okay, guys? So, yeah, just try to listen. I don't know, maybe you'll find enjoyment in what she does as well. So you try to listen, you want to start up conversation. You wanna approach her. You wanna, ask her about her. You wanna ask more about her, like what she enjoys, what stuff, and she'll find out that you're very attentive, and you guys can maybe, I don't know, strike out a conversation. Okay, so yeah, you want to do that, and obviously you want to, pay for her drinks or her food. You want to pay for that stuff to show that you're a gentleman, and yeah, just end up having a fun time. Okay, and so that, and then at the end, just send her off, and yeah, that's how to have a successful first date. Now let's talk about the later steps. Okay, how do we approach the later step, guys? Okay, so I'm gonna assume you guys actually wait, what was that? You guys actually asked for a number and you guys are chatting well. If it didn't go well, then you must have done some of the steps wrong in the first parts. Okay, it's not a me issue, it's a you issue. Okay, you understood? Anyway, so after you just want to continue on just doing what I told you. You want to um you want to just continue the conversation, listen to what she has to say, maybe like stalk her or so to find her interests, some girls, windows aren't always closed, wink wink, nudge nudge. So yeah, you want to do that. And yeah, that's about it. And eventually it'll lead to marriage and to having kids and then into debt and maybe divorce. So yeah, I guess that's what you have to do. Oh my god, this manual is so it's so freaking unclear. I'm so sorry for swearing. Please forgive me. This manual is so unclear, dude. So just we're on like what step are we on? 13? Which of the following lists the angles of the triangle from smallest to largest? How does this help with dating? Screw this. Anyways, yeah, that's how you get a grill. Okay, from yours truly. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope my audience aren't single anymore. And tell your kids to subscribe. Okay, got it? Good. God, I need a friend.